In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add social links to Bluehost sites. By the end, you'll have polished, clickable icons in your site's header that lead visitors straight to your social profiles, all using the tools built into Bluehost and WordPress. Start by heading to your Bluehost My Account page. This is your main hub for everything related to your hosting and websites. Once you're in, open the Websites section. This view lists the sites connected to your account, which makes it easy to choose the one you want to update. Next, open WordPress admin for the site you're working on. This takes you into the WordPress dashboard, where you can manage your content, design, and plugins. From the Bluehost area inside your dashboard, click Edit. That opens a site editor for your active theme so you can make design changes without touching code. In the editor, choose Wonderblocks. Think of Wonderblocks as curated patterns and sections you can drop into your site. It's a fast way to work with pre-styled pieces that match your theme. From there, select Header. We're focusing on the header specifically because that's where social icons are most commonly placed and easiest for visitors to find. Choose the header layout you're using or the one you want to customize, then click it to load it on the canvas. You'll see the header elements appear like your logo, navigation, and, in many designs, a placeholder for social icons. Click the social icon area to select the social icons block, then add your social links. Use your full profile URLs for each service, such as your complete Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, or YouTube links. You can remove any icons you don't use, add new ones from the list of supported networks, and drag to reorder them so your most important channels come first. Look to the block settings to fine-tune the style. You can usually adjust the icon shape, size, color, and whether labels show. It's also a good idea to enable opening links in a new tab so visitors don't lose their place on your site. As you paste each URL, double-check spelling and capitalization. Small typos can break a link. When you're happy with how everything looks, click Save. If you're prompted to confirm what's changing, just apply the save so the header updates take effect across your site. And that's it. You've added clean, consistent social links to your Bluehost-powered WordPress site using Wonderblocks in the site editor. If you ever need to adjust them, return to the same header in the editor, tweak the social icons block, and save again.